ShowMeHow explores the problem of transferring knowledge of one application to another in the same genre, with a similar but different interface. We've chosen the translation of Photoshop knowledge to GIMP commands as our research focus area. ShowMeHow explores this interface knowledge transfer through three different interaction techniques: a direct manipulation interface, a search interface for keyboard shortcuts, and textual search for command names. The direct manipulation interface presents a Photoshop interface facade that the user can explore. In this example, we will attempt to learn how to modify brightness and contrast in GIMP. Menus and tools in Photoshop react to the user's clicks, and real-time translations to GIMP show up in the result bar as the user changes the state of the Photoshop facade. GIMP results returned include, if available, an equivalent menu navigation, a GIMP keyboard shortcut, a description of the task, and a thumbnail of the equivalent state in GIMP. The thumbnail can be clicked to expand it into the main display. ShowMeHow also offers support for lookup via keyboard shortcut, catering to more advanced users of Photoshop. Here, we invoke the shortcut for modifying hue and saturation, Command U. ShowMeHow parses the keyboard shortcut and successfully brings up the correct Photoshop state and GIMP translation result. Finally, ShowMeHow offers textual search for command names. We can enter a query for how to add a drop shadow to the image into the search box. We are given a set of results, and we can choose which state we'd like to navigate to, receiving GIMP results as we do. Some Photoshop commands simply do not map to other GIMP commands directly, or map to a set of GIMP commands. In the case of a one-to-many mapping, we display all GIMP commands that may have relevance, as well as a description. In the case of a one-to-none mapping, we attempt to display alternative GIMP commands to achieve the same effect. ShowMeHow's web-based authoring map tool presents users with a single command in a source application and asks them to identify a match in a target application. Incremental auto-completion shows potential matches. Automatic search over application documentation helps users to verify chosen commands. Users also indicate their confidence and workaround information if no match exists. Initial user studies of ShowMeHow produced encouraging results. On average, participants using ShowMeHow to identify Photoshop commands in GIMP found tasks in 26 seconds with the UI facade and 49 seconds with the text search, as opposed to 52 seconds without ShowMeHow. Participants were also less lost when using ShowMeHow. Users with ShowMeHow made an average of 0.145 incorrect guesses per command, as opposed to 0.808 incorrect guesses per command without ShowMeHow. Over 83% of our 22 participants agreed that ShowMeHow helped them find commands faster and more easily.